Hello and welcome. Today we have Rajesh Kumar with us. Rajesh, welcome. First of all, we would like to congratulate you for clearing your UGC NET paper in 2019. It's a huge achievement. I'm sure you're still feeling, a lot accomplished about it. I want to know how is the feeling for you? How did you feel when you got to know that you've cleared the UGC NET paper?
First of all, ma'am, good afternoon. And first of all, I would like to thank you, Human Paratus, and all the Human Paratus team who gave me the opportunity to share my experience. And ma'am, of course, everyone feels good to achieve something good. And I am really happy about that, ma'am.
Well, definitely, it is a huge news. Um, there's so many people who appear for it. You can't even count the numbers of the people, of the students who sit for the exams. But, clearing it and cracking it requires another level of dedication and ambition to clear it. I'm sure you're very dedicated and you wanted to clear the exam and you cleared it. We are so happy to hear that. Before we get into this, I would like to know more about you. Where are you from? What did you do? Where did you complete your education from? And a little bit about what you want to achieve in the future.
Ma'am, I basically belong from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, and I did my graduation in BBA and from MJP Rolkan University, Bareilly, and I also did my MBA from Uttarakhand Technical University, Dehradun in HR and Marketing. I also did my MA Economics from MJP Rolkan University, Bareilly, and as we discussed, I am also NET qualified in HR with the help of Human Paratus, and currently I am pursuing PhD from Amity University, Jaipur, Rajasthan, ma'am.
Well, these are some really big things. I'm sure you're putting your precious time into, making a path for yourself, getting more stuff done. So I would like to ask you about how did you feel a change in the number of opportunities you got after clearing your UGC NET paper?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, after clearing the NET exam, so many opportunities are come. Like RPSC exam, some of the vacancies come into the government side, like BPSC, RBSC. I also want to crack it, and of course, UGC NET always fulfill your dreams when you are going to in teaching line and like PSU companies like ONGC, WELL, and etc.
Well, that's great. A competitive paper, it's not called a competitive paper just for any reason. It's called a competitive paper to, clear out and pick out those talented students who can actually go out, move forward, and create a better environment and a business environment for all people who are coming behind. Well, as we move forward, I would like to know how did you prepare for your paper? And do you have any tips that you would like to give the students who are going to appear for the upcoming exams?
Sure, ma'am, definitely, ma'am. First of all, I want first step towards effective exam preparation, like about the full of syllabus, like first paper and second papers. And there are so many books are available in the market, but I think my preparation strategy is Human Paratus is give you platform to crack paper first and paper second, point to point, and all the facts covered in proper manners.
So, do you have anything else? How did you prepare for the paper? Like, did you have a revised?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Attempting the past year question papers helps candidates in many ways, such as it gives the real work, the real look and feel of the exam. And the second one is it improves the time management skill of the candidate. And third one is candidates are able to judge their weak areas for the exam. So Human Paratus also provide the online platform to crack previous year question papers, and also mock text available on the website and links. And Human Paratus also covered each one of the question papers solved with a particular manner, ma'am.
That's
So currently, I am
great.
also preparation of PSU exams, and human test notes always help me crack the PSU exams like DFCCIL, and recently I gave the exam Mobile Limited.
Hmm. Well, all this gives us the information how dedicated you are towards your career. We are so happy
Yes,
to
ma'am.
hear that. Well, as I said, it's a competitive paper, right? So, in a paper with where a lot of people sit for the exam. So, do you have anything that you would like to tell the students to specifically avoid while preparing for the paper?
Ma'am, my advice is that all the students, first of all, you can focus your aim, and if you want to crack UGC NET, then you can go ahead all the syllabus and not cover all the syllabus, but also cover the facts and related to the facts, and preparation of previous year question papers. Those help a lot, and revising the syllabus again and again. It's give you the confidence. It's build the proper confidence to crack the net exam, ma'am.
Well,
Definitely,
Rajesh,
ma'am.
it was great talking to you. You had some insightful information for the students, and those useful words are definitely going to help them. Thank you so much, Rajesh, for talking to us today, and congratulations again for clearing your paper. I hope whatever comes to your path forward is an achievement for you. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Rajesh.
very much, ma'am. Thank a lot, ma'am.